Whoa, it feels like I'm getting married all over again. Hi sisters, I'm Jara. A little something about myself. I transform women beautifully for weddings, corporate, commercial, and occasions. Planning a wedding is stressful, I know, because I do weddings all the time. Besides having so much to organize, the bride has got to make sure that she looks great in all the wedding pictures, because photos are gonna stay for a lifetime. And my job is to make sure that my bride's hair and makeup look great. I also do a lot of wedding photo shoots. So today, I'm going to share with you some beauty and camera tips to make you shine eternally beautifully on your wedding day. Unless we are celebrities or actresses, we are generally quite camera shy, right? So what is the first tip? A flattering picture is all about angles. Position your body to one side or the other, or even cross your legs. If you don't want to cross your legs, at least bend one of them to break up the shape. What I do for my brides is to make sure their brows are properly emphasized and matched with the whole face. I will balance them and slightly darken them to balance out the makeup and make sure that they stand out nicely in the photos. Wear bright lipstick. It will definitely make my bride stand out, especially on the Facebook newsfeed. Whether it's pink, red, orange, coral, every girl should have a bright lipstick that brightens up her smile. It really makes a lot of difference in photographs. Not all of us are born with perfect features, so it's really important to know what's your good side. In this way, whenever your camera is pointing at you, make sure you always flatter your good side towards the camera. According to Tyra Banks, we need to squint just a little. It's like smiling with your eyes. It's okay to get silly in front of the camera. I know many of us will freeze up and feel awkward when the camera comes up, but it will definitely reflect in the photographs. So just relax, think of something funny or giggle to yourself. I swear it really works. Create a little mystery. There's always a time to look in the camera, but most of the time, just tilting your head to one side or moving your body slightly away from the camera gives you a more relaxing and interesting shape. There is no need to worry about capturing beautiful memories at your wedding. These tried and tested pro tricks are sure to make you feel confident saying cheese in no time.